Welcome. We are going to be looking at the disaster command dashboard that I have been developing lately. This came from all of the fires in Southern California, and I wanted to be able to track everything and see what's going on myself. So this started off as just a fire tracker, and then I ended up just adding more and more onto it. So we'll start up here with the AQI. This is the Air Quality Index. It also lists off all of the particulates that are in the air and their score. These are all color-coded. If you want to see how they're scored, the table is down here for that. And the main component that I started this with is the fire tracker. It's got the Google Maps for showing where all the fires are. If you click on any of them, you can see some of the data about that. And then I've got the list of all of them over here. And you can sort by anything and have them ascending, descending. You can also show all of the inactive fires from recently. If you look at that, isn't that just great? Let's go back to the active fires. On these cards, it shows the percent contained gauge that I've put up here, so you can see kind of at a quick glance how many or what's going on with some of these fires. And then it's got some more data, like what agencies are taking care of it and the admin unit, different things like that. This is currently set up for Southern California. I believe it gets all of California right now, but the map starts centered right on Los Angeles. Below that, we've got the current weather. This gets your coordinates, and it automatically shows you the weather for where it's reading that you're at. And below that right here is where there would be a red banner if there was a active weather alert in your area, and it would show you all of the data for that as well. Down here is the recent earthquakes for the whole world. And as you can see, most of them are in California. And this is just the last hour view. You can also see the last 24 hours. And again, mostly in California. These are color-coded so that you can quickly see where the bigger earthquakes have been. And let's see, let's put that back. And then locally for Riverside area in the Inland Empire, we've got the fire department responses and the crime responses. I believe the crime responses aren't updated in real time. I think they're updated every couple of hours or so. And then there's the fire responses that shows you where all the different fire teams have been called out to recently. And these are just for the Riverside area. I found a couple of APIs that were just open data that I could pull this all from. So if anybody's in the Riverside area, you can go in and get the code for this. I do have everything in GitHub. Let's see. github.com/devdevi. And it's the California wildfire feed. So if you want to go get what I was just looking at, it's in the Riverside Fire branch. And I've got the README set up so that you can just follow along with this and get everything set up really easily and just have your own disaster command center right at your fingertips too. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.